Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today, the arc length. Find the arc length. X equals to t to the power of 2 plus 1. Y equals to 4t to the power of 3 plus 3 on the interval from 0 to 1. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to find first the derivative of x and first the derivative of y. So we got about first derivative of x is about 2t. First derivative of y is about 12t squared. And now we can apply about the integral for arc length in here. So we have 0 and 1, so we put number 0 and number 1 in here. Then we put about the square root. First derivative of x squared and first derivative of y squared, and we have dt. Now we need to replace 2t squared, you got about 4t squared. 12 to the power of 2, you got about 144. And t squared, you got about t to the power of 4. Now we can do factorization in here. We put about 4t squared in the factor, and we got about 1. And this number you got about 36 t squared. Square root 4t squared, you got about 2t, so we put outside. Now we can do about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one, and then we put the square in the both side. We do first derivative in the both side. We simplify. And now we have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides with 18. Now we change number 0 and 1. If t equals to number 0, so we have u equals to number 1. If t equals to number 1, so we have u equals to square root of 37. We just put the number in t so we can find the u. So 0 we change to number 1, and number 1 we change to square root 37. 2t dt we change to u du over 18. The square root we change to u. U with u, so you got about u squared, and we have 1 over 18, and we got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we have 1 and square root 37. Now we can input the number in here. What 18 multiplied with 3, you got about 54, and we can get the number in here. And here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.